Dear Chloe, I am 27 years old and a single parent. I got pregnant when I was 18. My dad doesn't want me to live with my boyfriend. We were too young pa raw para magsama, and he still has so many dreams for me. He did not allow us to see each other kaya pinahinto niya ako sa studies ko para lang hindi na kami magkita ng boyfriend ko. Dad forced us to break up. Grounded ako for almost 2 months. At first, I tried to fight for our relationship and disobeyed my dad. I still call my boyfriend and his family secretly until my dad has decided to send me here in Manila. I did not say any of my dad's plan to my boyfriend. That is why he did not have a chance to see me before I left our province. Things got worse between us since I left. Sobrang nasaktan daw siya na hindi ko man lang siya naipaglaban but still I obeyed everything my dad told me. After I gave birth, I continued my studies. My boyfriend and I parted our ways and been in different relationships. We both decided to move on, accept that maybe we're not meant to be. My dad never allowed him and his family to see my son. After 3 years, my father died. I graduated and found a job to support my son and my family. Chloe, I still love the father of my son. I tried having relationships pero at the end of the day, siya pa rin ang hinahanap ko. Last November 15, we saw each other again. We talked as if we have never caused any pain sa isa't isa. Maybe dahil we are grown-ups now. We talked about a lot of things and that including our son. I found out that he is still single and now supporting his family. It is just sad that he never talked about any of his plans about my son or us getting back together. He is a police officer and I can't see any reason why he cannot support my son. Gusto ko pa pong mabuo ang pamilya ko, Chloe. It was just last month na nakapag-usap kami and up until now, I still haven't heard anything from him. Hi, Miss S. For some reasons, tama naman ang daddy mo. Ngayon, hindi mo pa na-realize yan, but eventually you will thank him for not letting you marry at a very young age. Maybe, baka hindi rin kayo nag-workout kasi ang babata niyo pa that time. Unfortunately, it resulted to something you didn't expect. Nagbago ang feelings ng boyfriend mo for you. A lot of things can happen in 5 years, you know. It may have caused your boyfriend to change his mind about you, but see, it's better that it happened na hindi ka kasal. Otherwise, you will endure the mistakes that you both did. Baka hindi ka pa nakatapos o kaya nagkasunod-sunod ang anak ninyo kung sakali, di ba? As you've said, your boyfriend didn't make any mention of any plans for you and your child. Eh, bakit hindi ka magtanong? Baka, di ba? Ano, 2024 natin. Pwede na, wag kang mahihiyang magtanong. Because it's always best, you know, to at least find out what could have happened if you tried to ask. So magtanong. Tanong mo. 'Di ba? Wala namang masama. You used to have relationship. Nagkaroon na nga kayo ng anak. Sabi, you can be honest with your feelings. Because sabi mo nga, wala ka namang masasagasaan. Parang parehas naman kayo single, di ba? Wala kayong nagsusupport siya sa family niya. O you can tell him, you know, maybe you can be truthful. This time, be the first to be truthful sa kanya. Just be ready kung ano man ang isasagot niya. But at least that will be your closure. Diba? For you to move on with your life without him. Kasi pwedeng magkaroon kayo ng chapter 2. O, na mas mature na kayo. And meron kayong anak eh. Merong nag-uugnay sa inyong dalawa. So, why not ask him? You know, you're single. I see that you don't have a family. Ganito na lang sabihin mo. See that, you know, you don't have a family yet. And, I don't know, maybe you're single. Or maybe you're not. Sabihin mo sa kanya, maybe you're with someone. But, I've always wondered what could have happened if, you know, we ended up being together. Ganon. Sabihin mo ganon. And, you know, I just want to be, you know, I just want this off my chest. Parang mga ganong drama. That, you know, I've never stopped loving you. O ganon, mga ganon. Di masama yan. Okay lang yan. Walang problema dyan. At least you will not end up wondering what could have happened if you asked. Ganon lang yon. Now, if i-reject ka niya, eh, tanggapin mo. Ganun lang yun, 'di ba? Hindi naman laging panalo tayo sa buhay. Then, at least you now have your reasons, you have your cue to move on with your life. And accept the fact na meron lang kayong anak. And that you have to move on and eventually find someone else or be alone for the rest of your life. Walang masama sa nagtatanong. Walang masama sa gustong malaman kung pwede pa ba kayong magkaroon ng part 2 o hindi na. Wala ka naman yatang masasagasaan eh. On his part, on your part, wala naman siya masasagasaan. And besides, mahal mo pa. So why not be, honest with your feelings? At least, makabawi ka man lang din sa ginawa mong pambibitin din sa kanya, may pag-iwan mo sa kanya noon. But you know what? Nakabuti rin yung ginawa ng tatay mo sa'yo, 'di ba? Kasi you were too young then. Iba naman kasi iba na yung maturity mo ngayon. Iba na yung level na pag-iisip mo ngayon compared sa nung 18 ka pa. Baka mamaya nagkasunod-sunod lang yung anak nyo, di ka pa nakatapos, kasi kailangan mo na magtrabaho at an early age para itaguyod yung anak nyong nagkasunod-sunod. Be thankful na naging ganon ang naging decision ng tatay mo nakapagtapos ka pa. Now, pwede ka nang mag-continue. Just recently, I met up with some friends. Tapos, yung isang kaibigan namin, nagkabalitaan, syempre, 'di ba? Kumustahan, ganyan-ganyan. Sabi ko, kumusta na yung anak mo? Ganyan. Kasi alam ko, isa lang naman ang anak niya. And di naman na siya nag-asawa. And you know what? After, sabi niya sa akin, that was 32 years or 40 years. Ay, hindi. Ilang taon na yung anak nila. Siguro mga less than 30 years old yung anak nila. And then she told me na nagkabalikan sila nung tatay nung anak niya. O, 'di ba? Kasi boyfriend girlfriend sila noon. Tapos she got pregnant. Tapos nagkahiwalay din. Siguro ganyan din ang kwento sa'yo. So tinaguyod niya mag-isa yung anak niya. Ngayon okay na yung anak niya. Malapit na rin mag 30 years old. May sarili ng negosyo yung anak niya. Doing well in life. Nagkita sila ulit nung tatay nung anak niya. And eventually nagkabalikan sila. I cannot actually believe sa story niya. Pero sabi niya nga sa akin, di ba? Pagdating sa dulo kami rin pala. Oh, so you'll never know. Diba? Hindi ko na tinanong paano sila nagkabalikan. But what I'm trying to tell you is, hindi talaga natin alam pagdating sa dulo kung sino. So, maybe this is your chance to be happy. Good luck to you, Miss S. I hope that you find the courage to fight for what you love.
Hey, thanks for watching! For more exclusive videos and
artist interviews, you can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us
on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.